Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Vincent Loo, who bring you the latest news in Bitcoin world. So this guy trying a new version, right, a new format where I'm gonna share the Bitcoin news in a presentation style. So let's get right into it to the latest news. As you can see from over here, with all the important figures in the finance industry in the US, as well as everybody over here that control trillions and billions of USD. Right, these people that we need to know and understand what's their role in the financial world. So in the Bitcoin news, I'm going to show them right here in the front page. Hope you guys like it. So just around the corner, 18th of September, 4 days before, Federal Reserve cut rates for 0.5%, right? It's never had been done before, and right now the cut for 0.5% is almost similar to the 2007. So right now you might ask and think, what does this cut rates, right? The rate cuts causes and what's its impact to the economy, to the market, to the Bitcoin, to S&P 500, basically to the economy, right? Every country follow the US. When US start to cut rates, every country follows suits. So how will it affect the global economy? So when the rates cuts, we have cheaper borrowing, right? Citizens, retail money, they all have lower rates to borrow money, hence reduce the cost of business. That's number one. Number two, it boosts the economic growth, right? It encourages spending, more investments, S&P 500s, risk assets, Bitcoin, more investment, gold, you name it. Our stock market gonna gain and increase in the long term because of low rates. We will see about that in the future. More rates gonna be cut, hence reducing, the recession risk, unemployment. So all these are the factors that controls the market, which I'm gonna show you guys today in this video. A weaker dollar. With rates being cut, the dollar index strength will reduce because of inflation. Hence, weaker dollar. And with weaker dollar, Bitcoin is inversely proportional to the dollar strength. And when the dollar strength goes down, Bitcoin gonna goes up because Bitcoin was created as a hedge, right? As an hedge to the weak financial fiat currency. You guys get what I mean? Bitcoin was created to counter weak fiat currency such as the USD. So when the dollar weakens, Bitcoin goes up. So you already know. That's why we are right now in the bull market, and recently we have seen a lot of pumps as well. We're gonna show you guys later on. Lower saving returns, reduce interest rates on saving bonds, and discourage savings. So there will be no investors will not invest in bonds anymore. They'll look for other investments such as S&P 500s or all the stock market out there, as well as Bitcoin. Inflation risk, as I said just now, reducing the Fed's rates causes the inflation risk to goes up, and hence we're gonna invest to counter inflation risk, right? Because if you hold a lot of fiat currency, you will expose yourself to inflation risk. So that's the effect of rate cuts. If you don't know about that, in this video I share with you all these things. All right. Right now we have a news. Banks like BNY Mellon got approved by SEC for custody of Bitcoin into their assets. So right now the public are open up to more adoption of Bitcoin. So we can see in the long trend, Bitcoin price in the long term macro it goes up, right? Bullish, long-term bullish. That's what I'm saying. Bitcoin have more and more institution adoption, as we name it. And as well, our good friend MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor announced another purchase of Bitcoin. This guy been accumulating Bitcoin in billions, right? It's accumulating Bitcoin in billions, right? It just purchased 458 million, just around 458 million just recently. That's why you see the price pump yet again. So right now, we will see an all-time high in the future. We'll see about that, right? We'll see about that. BlackRock just give out a report, a 9-page document report to its customers saying Bitcoin is a unique diversifier, Bitcoin's investment is so unique. It counts as a unique diversifier because it doesn't use USD. It's in Bitcoin value. Counters inflations, fight against, hedge against USD fiat currency. Unique diversifier, BlackRock. And BlackRock just got the approval from SEC for options trading. So more and more money will come into Bitcoin. As you say, right now, more and more institutions, public adoption of Bitcoin. In the future, we go 100K. We'll see about that. We'll see about that. But it's all good news to the Bitcoin investor, right? All good news to the Bitcoin investor. As you guys know, FTX collapsed in 2021. Is it 2021? Around there, the bear market, right? The bear market. So FTX collapsed, causing it starts the bear market. Right? It starts the bear market due to the FTX collapse. And right now, the judge are asking FTX to pay back, right? To pay back the customer. Right? The US court asking them to pay back the customer, and the customer, they're all past Bitcoin cryptocurrency investors. So when they get their money back, everything's aligned, guys. When they get their money back, they're gonna invest in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. Everything is aligned, guys. Everything is aligned. All right. So we'll see when they're gonna pay back. I don't even know. But if you join my Discord, right, the Discord link in the description below, we're following all this news very, very closely, guys. Right, we are following this news very closely. Just to tell you guys something about this global liquidity, right? Global liquidity. So Fed's Powell, even though it cuts rates, it says that they are still doing quantitative tightening, right, to fight against inflation, guys. To fight against inflation, too much money printing at the COVID times, right? Too much money printing at the COVID time to help the economy during that time. So right now they're still doing quantitative tightening, even though rate has been cut. So just to let you guys know, okay, as you can see from here, the global balance sheets is the blue color line right here, global balance sheets, the US balance sheets, they're still quantitative tightening it. The assets still reducing, as well as global liquidity. Everything is controlled by the US market. So you guys can see the global liquidity also drops. Okay, it's been dropping ever since. So until we see a quantitative easing from our friend Powell, Fed's Powell, Jerome Powell here, then will we actually see a mania phase, right? A mania Bitcoin mania phase, the price goes up. So until then, we'll still experience this quantitative tightening. So if you guys can see over here, global liquidity index is very much correlates to the Bitcoin price. So when the Bitcoin price goes up, global liquidity goes up, Bitcoin price goes down, global liquidity goes down, right? So dollar index, this is another thing that we need to see, dollar index. So when the dollar index goes down, Bitcoin price goes up, like inversely proportional. So dollar index pretty much affected by Fed's rate cuts, Fed's rates. So the rates increase, the dollar strength increase, right? It's very much correlates. So right now we are having cuts. In the future there will be more cuts when the dollar strength goes even lower. Bitcoin price goes up. So everything is aligned, guys. Everything is aligned. And if you guys don't know about this, US elections around the corner. I expect more uncertainty in the market, and we will see what's gonna happen. Harris is in the lead right now. So if Harris wants, I don't know, maybe a lot of people will sell Bitcoin and we can easily buy them during this market inefficiency, guys. You need to follow up all these things, all right? So as you can see, Bitcoin is right now been consolidating for 6 months. It's crazy, but actually it's very normal, guys. If you compare to the past cycle, Bitcoin consolidating for so long is very, very normal, guys. Very normal if you look at the past cycle. So in the future, we will experience Q4. Will the Q4 actually happens when the Bitcoin breaks out from this consolidation? We will see about that. We will see about that. And if you haven't followed our Discord, link in the description below, where we share all this alpha news, guys. But follow my Discord right now. And obviously, We teach about automation, right? Bitcoin's automated crypto trading. Sign up right now. It's totally free where we teach you guys for free. If you guys don't want to monitor the chart, we're gonna learn about automations. All right. As always, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next week. Peace.